One of the things that a lot of sales trainers talk about is people respond to the fear of loss a little bit more than other kinds of approaches. Let's say.
Mhm.
So sometimes I do say things like kind of what you said, right? But I'm always a little bit. I feel because I know they're a little bit in a vulnerable spot,
Mhm.
and also to be fair, I'm kind of no one to get involved. If you, I'm kind of in a way, I'm also kind of inserting myself in some sense, right? Like I'm not a party to their. I'm someone out here providing services, but I
Mhm.
don't have. It's not my place to tell them what to do, right? So, but I can advise. I can give them some helpful information so they can start making some decisions. Because the reality is that for a lot of clients, I've been talking with them for 6 months to a year to even 2 years before we actually form a business relationship. That's just
Mhm.
me talking with them and not just keeping in touch, but answering questions they may have, helping them with things that, related to the real estate aspect, of course, only. Things like that. I have a gentleman, even after our time here together, I've been talking to him for a year. He's had an ongoing situation. He's had property with a property manager who's been very unresponsive. And we got to get the tenant out before we can sell it. And so I've been kind of advising him on how to handle that situation with
Mhm.
the other company he's dealing with. So there's all this contact and communication that goes, before actually, forming the business relationship. But going back to fear of loss is that I always tell people, I'm like, look, I go, I want to share something with you, but I don't want to give you a false sense of like, I don't want to be alarmist. Like, I'm not trying to trigger you in a way that gets you to do business with me, right? Like,
Mhm.
I'm not trying to scare you so that I'm trying to pressure you to do something.